guy, he get wife for house, as in get wife for Jamie. He can't come France. He can't date these two ladies. Make I bring the two ladies, Mona see her. He can't date these two ladies. This one, now they call favor. This one, now they call favor. This one, they France too, for Paris. Why this one? See the other one, Mama Twins. Now they see herself. This one, that be Mama Twins. Please, if una know them, una invite them come. Yesterday, I said, make favor call me. Favor not call me. I don't know why. Please, if una dey where they dey, una invite them come. So that we could put a stop on this matter. G Power, I see you. You understand me? So these twins. Now the same way. This one, that be Mama Twins. So why the other one, that be favor? Why the other guy, that be the guy where they chop the two of them, they chop their wife journal. You see so now the thing don't cause big problem for inside body. We be say the matter don't even reach Ayilala. This woman now, where they call Mama Twins, don't go serve the other lady, Ayilala people. Now they hear me so. Please, if you are hearing me, say yes. This Nikki was here yesterday. Like this Nikki. Hello, Nikki. Yesterday, you tell us, say, where the Nikki, Abi? What should be this?
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, you were with us yesterday.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
You still go, you say you want to go call Mama Twins. You still go call her?
No, when I call, I no pick, now I take sleep.
You not pick?
Yes, you no pick. You can't. I don't already sleep that time.
Hello?
You dey hear me?
Okay.
Papa.
Nah, they hear you now.
I say I call, I no pick.
I they hear you now.
Yes, I call, I no pick, now I sleep.
Okay. So, since morning now, you never hear from her now.
No, I no even call now because I dey work.
And he not call you back. She not call you back.
No, it become me, because me don't already dey work. As I dey talk to you, I dey work. And I just say, me, I come up, tell you, say, and me and I never talk. But maybe if I reach out this evening, I'll call her.
I beg, you know, say yesterday, now you talk and say, more fair hear from her.
Yes.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah,
no
outside
worry.
of the story.
Okay, may I call her first? May I dey come? May I quick
Call
call
her. Me call her,
Okay.
because more because we don't know what they really happen. More for a year, what they really happen. Because me not come like say everybody they put blame on her.
Okay. I dey come. May I joke? I dey come.
Call her, call. So favor, I beg. Anybody with no favor. Pinky. Yeah, Pinky, we are DJ. Pinky. Larry, we are DJ. Man, you understand the way. Send the request to me. Send request. Where you call the Pinky? We are DJ Pinky. I know they see you again. We don't get some moderator. May I for introduce them for you. I not going to see you, Pinky. Hope everything is okay. Hope you are fine. I greet you special. My people, now they hear me so. Please, favor, mommy favor, I beg. Make una help me invite mommy favor. Mommy favor. Now they hear me so. This lady, mommy favor.
Hello, Padamasa.
I greet you. Nikki, where did they stop now?
A TikTok is cheating, Padamasa.
But you get many accounts now. You still use this one to come now.
Oh, my one officer request for the other one. Oh, two.
You say?
This my.
But you feel say what be the request you send console?
With my other accounts, and my backup be this one.
Because for the past 1 week now, be 1 week plus, I'm not going to see you anywhere. I can't ask Mommy Stella. I can't say when you can't say you did fine.
I work with for 8 hours.
We don't get one new secretary and one moderator again.
They never pay homage to their heads boss.
I don't tell them say the girl, madam, will be their share lady. So on a very good day, if they're there around, I will introduce them to you.
Okay, pa. Okay.
You dey hear me so?
You dey hear me?
I dey hear you here.
Wait, I use my other phone take on. This phone not dey let me tell you. Not the good way for.
Okay. So my people, wetin make us come here? Now these people matter one can settle. There's a big problem in Paris now between this lady and this other lady. This lady. Now they hear me so? There's a big problem between this lady and the other lady. Because one guy come between them now, they do the shentru. The way me they say na shentru now. Because na shentru be this one. Because this lady, she talked yesterday well. She talk a lot of things. Into the spend money for the other guy, that guy. So this woman never even talk. That's the other lady. That's the one they see her well. Not they see her well. That's what they see her now. Show that they see her now. Please, everybody power tap now, please. What is going on? Wanna power tap, I beg. Everybody power tap your screen, please. Please, everybody power tap your screen. Let's go. Okay? When they see her where? I beg when they see her where, when I write yes. I beg when they see her where, when I write yes. I be with me they talk. They don't hear. What I'm saying now, they hear at all. Please, if not the hear, when I write yes now, make the thing flow now, please. Now they stress me. Please, if not the hear, when I write yes, I want to see whether people they hear what they talk. They are not hearing. They are not hearing me. Okay. I they see yes now. Okay. God bless you guys. Please, everybody, one of the power tap from your bag. Since one of the year, please, everybody, power tap. Massive power tapping, please. When I say I love TikTok, I love TikTok. When I say I love TikTok. So I made it for release our restriction, please. When I say I love TikTok, massive power tapping, please. Your gift is suspended, yes, because of some people. When I'm not worried, they'll release them. Please, when they show me love. Everybody power tap massively, please. Everybody power tap massively. Show me love. Okay? Well, don't worry. Everybody. Massive power tapping, please. I love TikTok so that maybe for release our subscription. 7 days they give us, it will reach us. Man, don't worry. So, as we were saying, this lady so, now they call Mommy Favor. While the other one are Mama Twins. So, this guy so, now it come between the two. Yeah, we. See, may I start again. Blessed. May I start again. Blessed. May I start again, Abi? Blessed. When I don't want money, may I start again? Okay, they listening. Since may I start again, everybody power tap, please. More than all this stop power tap. Make some people you dedicate their time, use the power tap for me. I beg. Please, make some people they dedicate their time, use the tap for me, please. So that I make this restriction for still come out. I beg. Okay? So this guy, so who know this guy? Who know this guy? Please, if you know this guy, write yes or comment section. If you know this guy, write yes or comment section. Please, if you know this guy, I know the share. Only one person that don't share this video. So please, more than share this video, make people for learn. More than share this video. We are going to do a massive program. I want to do this morning. So many people will learn from it. When I can't see what they read this up. Imagine only 1-2 people they share. Please, everybody share this, share it massively. Wanna share it massively. I know many people will learn from this story. This one a life story where happen so waiting the happen so now 1 year so. So I pray may they come. May the both parties come. So I'm for resolver very easily. Okay? So let's go. This guy now, waiting me here yesterday. This guy get a wife with 2 children for Germany. This guy can't come France. Whether he can't stay France. And so Mama Favor talk yesterday. Now Mommy Favor. And so that one talk yesterday. He can't say this guy, he don't dey friend this guy for the past 1 year now. That's Mommy Favor. This one will be Mommy Favor. And this one, now be Favor. This one say, he don't dey friend her for the past 1 year now. He don't know say he get wife or he get girlfriend, which is Mama Twins. He say one day, Mama Twins come in boss am when he comment for the guy, who say my love. As he comment for the guy, he can say my love. Now Mommy Twins, that's this lady, so Mommy Twins. This is Mommy Twins. Okay, this one picture good. You know, I know they see well. The guy they chop better food though. The many Uduema, my brother. The guy they chop better food though. Uduema, Ikata. Ikata, man. Not that way. This Mama Twins. The guy that person will be like say he like big yansh. Now they hear me so. The guy they like better food though. And this one they call Mommy Twins. Very beautiful lady. Now see so. Beloved child, I see you. Good afternoon. Very beautiful lady. So this Mama Twins now come emboss the other lady. Now they hear me so. As he emboss the other, he can't tell the other lady, say, who this guy be to you? That Mommy Favor can say, he no fair respond. He say, if I can go call that guy so, that the guy with the friend, the 12 they so. He can say, see one lady will be saying, boss me say, who I be to you? Say the boy can't tell her, say, make it tell this woman, say, in a brother, I be his sister. Make it tell this one, say, in a brother. Why you say, man, I talk like your brother? Say, the guy come brainwash and piriri, make it tell this one, say, in a brother. He said, now he can't tell this one, say, this guy, so, now my brother. He said, that Mama Twins comes off, he come out, come enter house, JJJ. He said, now, when the guy will come ask the guy, say, who be Mama Twins? He said, the guy will deny this woman. Mama Twins, he said, he will deny her, say, now he S, where they not fed day again. He they use body to the final. Now the guy come to say, if now your S, why you go come tell me, say, make me tell her, say, I be your brother. If you let me tell her, say, I be your girl, or I be your girlfriend, all those kind of thing. He come make sure, say, he confused this girl, this lady, what they call Favor. When they understand the story, you confuse the girl, what they call Favor, make it say na a brother. So when you call the toss, okay, this girl now not they gay. But if they already see, say, this lady, what they call Mama Twins, they always put that guy for, if they decide bed, he will take the video, you go put her for a story. Anytime when you take go check this woman war, if they see, say, the guy where they say, yeah, this woman not they gay, he has in the scene for a story. He said the guy will call the tell this woman, say, will call the tell Mama Favor, say, Favor, this Mama Twins so now old video, old things will fed do pass. Now they put for story, you not manner. Like, cause you sure? Cause you okay, may you still forget. Say thing, you can't wear this shirt. Ugo boss. This Ugo boss so. Say now this shirt so. Say now he present, he buy this shirt. That is that Favor. He said now he present, he buy this shirt, this boss. He said, but when he come back, say, with this shirt, now he wear, can't go Mama Twins side. And Mama Twins now can't see carry her for inside bed. They inside bed, can't see do video, put her for a story. You see so as he put her for the story, then go see her. This boss where you wear, so this will go boss. Now recently you buy this one. I can't go reach. You find they tell me say na old picture, old video. Now Mama Twins they put for there. You see so. But I can't be say now this you go boss now because the woman goes to show this Ugo boss. Maybe in case if the guy want like it. I can't be saying now this Ugo boss when you buy now. This one I see old video, old picture. Say the guy can't see the way the guy can't do. The thing not can clear again. Like saying that so their saga can't start. Yeah, Mr. Sagi, I see you. God bless you. He said that so their saga can't start. Now, the one way they pay me pass inside now for their saga, no. This lady now, Mama Twins now can't go carry can't go Donisha this girl what they call favor so. And two of them where they fight now for this guy so. This guy so your wife still dey where they say marry that one your day. Now that your wife now can say the thing that they go worse. That your wife can't confront this lady, Mama Twins. The guy wife now, not be even favor now. The guy wife can't confront Mama Twins. Say, Mama Twins, this guy won't at the drag so. Now my husband do. Now my husband. Yeah, I bought 2 children for her. We don't marry. You say waiting. We don't marry. Not be small matter with the year. Now, Mama Twins now, we don't know waiting this guy they tell Mama Twins. Allegedly now, with the year now say the guy they promised Mama Twins marriage. That's this lady. They promise her marriage. So my people, before they come, we need to come talk for this issue first. The way I tell the advertiser, anybody will get what you want to talk or any advice on this kind of person. Please, if you know say you get any advice to talk or anything where you know say you feel talk on this issue at the matter they grant now. They say so as the matter they grant now. If you know say you get anything where you feel talk for the issue before the both parties go come, send request, may you come the talk for the issue. As I they explain and they give you so may you they understand. You hear me so? As I they explain and they give you, you will they understand that. So now, this Mama Twins now carry the other woman, carry go police station. Now the other woman cause he carry Mama Twins go police station. Mama Twins and Favor, they carry themselves to go police station now. This lady now, Mama Twins, don't go Donisha Favor. Favor, don't go Donisha Mama Twins. Now, inside the Donisha now with the talk now, Mama Twins, yesterday, go bring Ayelala. This lady, so Mama Twins. Bring Ayelala for Favor. Don't be the boy wife now for Favor. Now the matter they grand now. So I beg, who know Mama Twins? When I invite and come. Please, if you know you are here, you know this lady, Mama Twins, we need to hear from her side. Because yesterday, as I did Favor platform, they come to say, I need to hear for this lady, whether they call Mama Twins. So, we don't know what that boy they tell Mama Twins. Where did Mama Twins stand now on this issue? We don't know. And the wife of the guy, if you still they watch us, if you not know the wife, when I see tag the wife come. So the boy, if he got that mad, if he can't talk, make he can't tell her because you cannot be causing problem in our society. Now we they control those about space. So if all these things they happen, we need to talk put. So that we'll create awareness, people will see what they saw. Now they hear me so. So please, if anybody there here will know Mama Twins, please, if you know say you know Mama Twins, right here on the comment section. Please, if you know say you know this lady, where they call Mama Twins, right here on the comment section. They say na Paris today. I don't know her. But yesterday, Now I start to the know and I can't investigate their matter. Please, if you know this lady. If you know this lady, say hi in the comment section. If you know this lady, say hi in the comment section. Say she feel asleep.
Hey, don't press it. Alpha.
I greet you.
Woman, me is all those things. We are here.
Agua, I want to talk.
Last 3 days ago, 4 days ago.
On your camera.
Where I have my camera? Hey, don't press it now. Man, to swear. I wanted to ask you a question. That the matter they tire me. I say nothing we need nowhere now because where everyone in what you the area we single mother wa area lo then na gbe na we have mother's town. But to jam up na area.
Alam matter go where here settle matter. If the carry matter can give us an audience way for community. Now so you go take settle matter, my brother.
Because I don't care for those women. I know they fight for person husband. I don't understand.
You don't understand. Now so you want. Now so if you be audience way for community. Now so you want your thoughts. You don't understand.
I don't cause me I don't way. Even boy on my have a boy man.
But ugwa we winere. Ugwa we winere.
You winere man waje.
You winere waje. Where? You winere amu winere mu yo. What? I'm not
the matter episode. If I saw the only other black him on the platform, we like in wow we are. You got to damn you. Understand?
Okay, why don't to that?
A better on in my near the woman and Marian Emma.
Okay.
Man, I work body betting winner Mawaro.
Okay, we winner we one young.
Yes, so guy, my you cooking more.
We will feel quoi?
Agua.
Vous allez à filo quoi one? Don't
press it. No, now it anta. I mean, when I never must say na. E agwa lo do bian. When we gwa yoni.
The other lady where a baby father in this lady. He say a baby father when he drive man, as this guy fuck up, he remove the baby father come back again.
Okay. And they say, I don't know with platform now. This one the open platform.
And now you get platform. Now two of them get platform.
He say a
baby father as he commode, as he driver commode, when this he call they date this guy, he can say this guy will real person when want show love. He say when he can say this guy will not clear, he does spend close to more than 2,000 for this guy. Anytime the guy take on, he always spend money. And before he can say many women they under the guy life. How you can the one that say, you know maybe my son no. He said they take go carry baby papa.
Iyo boni manik be yen jene ihu ve Europe na. Oso o can start say. Oso lo pa o can point my say iyo boni majeni ihu we na. If they share all the women 2 or 3 for men for this Europe, it go still remain. Ariefo. Are you going to Europe now? Aga single mothers no Europe now. Are you going to Europe now? Aga enikbia where Don Prince you deal with 3, Osage deal with 3, Minister Efe deal with 3.
Oh, baba.
Iya kere.
E Don Prince mo ko no mo se wo wa.
Wait, I
don't hear where. What you talk? Say Osage deal with 3. The Prince deal with
if they share all the women, all the single women where they this Europe, if they share 3 for men for this Europe, they go still remain. Don't please go there with 3. Me go there with 3. Minister F go there with 3. Inya ye kere. Why na? Inya fo.
3. It Yeah, I go.
See,
Yeah, I go Europa.
The priest, how you go? Why is he going to be able to I understand. Wait, £2,000. So wait, one. I be €2,000.
Now this one I talk you come out.
yes,
We never
yes,
hear
yes, yes, you go
from
no
Mama
piano.
Twins now. We
Yes,
want to
you go
hear
no
from
piano.
Mama Twins so that more know what they play. We never hear from Mama Twins.
Okay, you want settle them?
Wait. Favor don't come. The lady don't come. Favor. This one don't come.
Bros,
Now she be this one. Favor.
bros, I
Hello,
beg, I
Favor.
beg.
Call your.
Bros, no, bros, not be my picture. You go put. You put video of course picture there.
In your way, what do we have to say?
Please come out to.
Yes, now the man, me as the girl, it's supposed to there now.
No, now tell you of a picture I put to look at me. I show you. If I want to talk about her, I go put her picture. See her whole picture here. Don't you say I want to buy
Because Mama could break up
No, ya mama kugbe. Ya mama kugbe. Eti la dia.
Okay.
Now the late. I don't know who that. Not be the woman be this.
Yeah, no.
Okay, so madam.
Madam,
Minister Afe meet us at the lao. Madam, a secretary Merima, Imani Burima, lao. I want make you explain. Your fear explain. Give us what you tell us yesterday about this Mama Twins, so that more know we won't want to start. You know, say I tell you say I'll come talk for this matter today.
Yes.
Okay, so this boy now, may I bring the boy come out. This boy now, you tell the world how you tell know the boy and what did the boy do to you. Make the world know what did happen to you right now.
Okay. Well, good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Where you are watching from, good evening. So,
but Mona, wait to
guy,
may I introduce you to the wait first. I beg, Mona, everybody, Mona power tap, Mona, they listen to this lady. Now, this one be mommy favor. Where be say they carry and go Ayilala now because of this guy matter. So you want to explain what happened, why you know this guy, and what happened, what they pass through now for Mama to his hand. Then why explain? Give them Mona listen. Yeah, continue, madam.
okay. This guy, I meet this guy for TikTok. He
What
come
be
they
the guy
toast
name?
me.
What be the guy name?
The guy TikTok name na JP Mutana.
Okay. JP Mutana.
Yes.
You meet her for TikTok.
King,
Okay, carry on.
na King JP Mutana. King JP Mutana.
Okay, King JP Mutana. Okay,
Yes.
you meet her for TikTok. Okay, continue.
Yes, I meet her for TikTok. So that time, I did all live video. I just dey do my things for there. You go see come. You go see dash me gift. You go they comment for there. You go they say how you there. I say I dey fine. So you go see come down. So you can't get one day. You can't invite me because February na birthday. You can't say he dey do birthday for who go bar one bar like that. Say whether I go come. Now I say I don't know the address. I want to take come. You can say okay. Make I send you my number. Make I put am for inside your WhatsApp. May you come. Then I never agree say I want date and we just be friends. So make her ask and say when be your birthday? He say a birthday day na tomorrow. Now so okay, no problem. As he come they celebrate and me come carry one of his picture. I come they celebrate the guy. As I they celebrate the guy, now he come call me. His sister one. He say his sister come say he know the guy. Say his sister want me know his sister who they call Vivian. Now I say yes, I know who they call Vivian. He say want join us together. Now say okay, I dey here, I dey wait. Now he come join us together. Now I come say, whoa, sister Vivian. Now my friend for nowhere that time.
Yeah.
Now I come dey happy. I say sister Vivian. He say now my brother be this oh. Now I say we come the gist for them. Now JP come
I
dey
low
tell
what
am
they with
say,
the music they will be low what they made for the talk, made for the listening.
can you know your phone? Now
Okay,
tell it. Can
continue.
you know it? So may I go where no it's not there.
Okay.
So now JP come tell am say you don't tell when they toast favor. Favor no dey agree. You never agree for am. Even invite am make come a party. Favor no agree come.
Who they
Now
talk
his
that one
sister
so?
come say the guy come dey with their conference call so.
Okay.
The guy come dey tell his sister like that. Say favor no agree. Say favor say you know they come. Let me beg favor say I like her. Now I say I don't know. He come say I beg he want date me. Now I say mama you know say me you know my past relationship. I don't see just you small. The father of my children who I born for. Now I say I don't want anybody when go hurt me. He say, he call the tell sister, say, no worry. I don't get girlfriend. If I get girlfriend, I'll tell you. I don't really get girlfriend. Now his sister can say, favor. Mo teme, o teme mo kwo do amunumu, but o maka me wa mu ya wata ma we mata. E de bra bi me. O teme ta ma me we nya dwani.
Wait, my sister, small man, the man for the house. That sister come tell you say, mo teme, o teme mo kwo. Say me not carry this, bro get wife.
Yes. He can say, mo teme, we o teme na mo kwo we. Ye ti to ge mama ye magwale anything. No hot me. E only hot you we confess ko na we a. Na my woman when born for me now. Before he go come, he dey take. Now once in a while, now he take they come now. Before he go come, sometimes October, November, he go come see come. Sometimes 2 years safe, he no go come. I may not okay, no problem. So I may not be time with that conference call way. So baby papa give me
Azebo, where everybody for the year what did they talk?
Okay, let me too come see tell her for the conference call say even my baby papa too they come sometimes 2 months time, 2 weeks time, depends.
Yeah, remember no insult her.
Wait till happen
to her so it can happen to anybody. They deceive the girl.
Now what you
They deceive her. If wait till happen to her so nobody is perfect. It can happen to anybody. They deceive her. So man let her settle down explain, give her. When I see the way they deceive her, so that tomorrow if you depart this kind of relationship, may still the wise. Not got the phone saying that you smart pass or now you know everything pass. Nobody is perfect. They can use anything to brainwash you. So listen to people's story and wise. If anybody is something, I'll block you. Favor, talk to us. Favor, mute yourself and talk.
Okay, as I dey talk, they go. Now the guy come tell me say, me too. Now me come tell the guy say, me too. Me get baby papa when they come see children once in a while. He go see come my house. We see they do. You know, me must talk truth. So he
Okay,
say,
you are your baby father. You can say you are your baby father once in a while. That your baby father see they call and see they do.
Yes. So he comes, he say, no problem. He own wife, they see come from Germany. They come once in a year. They see they sleep with each other.
Okay, she can tell you, the guy can tell you, say, I hope baby mama see they come meet her, they still sleep once in a while.
They see they come, they from Germany come here once in a while. Now I come say, okay, no problem. As far as say you don't come, me and my baby papa get quarrel. But if you dey good to me, I go you leave that one finally. Then I'll come there with you. Let's see, he has to go. Now he can say, okay. Now I say, but one thing, when I don't go like from you, I don't want, may I come here say you get girlfriend though. Because I don't want any fight with nobody. I just want to carry my own man. He say no, he's promised me not get any girl for this Paris. I say, you sure say you don't get any girl for this Paris? He say yes. Now I say, okay, let's go on with the relationship. So when they come break, my man gonna tell me, say, this boy you're fine rich, you know get girlfriend. This boy you're fine rich, you know get girlfriend. He go see call me. If I go drop a key for school, he go say, come now, they miss you. And I'll say, I don't want to come. My man, they tell me, say, you get girlfriend. I dey fear. He go see call me again. Ask your children, they sleep well. I say, yes. He go say, I no get girlfriend, I no dey lie. So one day, in the afternoon, I want to go pick my children. He can't call me, I dey WhatsApp call. As he call me, come be like, say me the data, me the fear to go. Because I don't go see all his video, all his picture. Na very fine person, na man when tall, when fine. Me the fear. So, now he can call me in the afternoon of it. As he call me, he say, he want to tell me something. He no get any girlfriend. Make it your swear, make me know say he no really get girlfriend. Now he carry Bible come out. As he carry Bible come out, he can't wear one night gown, when it be Christmas night gown, red. He can't carry pillow, Bible come out for on top of pillow. He can't swear. He can't say if I really get girlfriend, make this Bible buy him. As he swear, finish.
The boy can't lead down. Use Bible swear if you need get girlfriend.
Yes.
Okay.
He can't swear. Make all your believe. Now me can say okay. Make I dey see him first. Then after 3 days, he wear night gown. He wear Christmas night gown. That Christmas, if you want to do Christmas, that night gown, Christmas night gown when red.
Yeah.
He can't wear am. He can't use Bible swear. So as he use Bible swear, now me you come the pity for am. I can't say sorry. You for not your swear. No worry, I'll come. So on Friday of it, as I drop my children for school, now I take go there. So I can't go there. We can't start with the friend. The day when we go, I look at the guy, they're nice. He don't treat me bad. Everything was good. I just say happy. Even for inside trade, call Richards, I happy Richards.
The first day when you go meet her, treat you well.
Yes.
And when I see shop, he shop you that day.
Bros, I beg you. Bros, now what for you?
Olalowo.
He shop you that day, nah. That's truth.
No man, nah. Isha.
No, man. I be smoking again.
Oh, yeah, the top.
As I your rich ass, normally the guy they nice. Not be so more niceness, so not go there. Oh.
Eh?
The guy they nice. Yes,
The papa you well.
yes, the guy you're there nice with me. He even cook way for me. He buy drink way for me because I tell us I they drink small. He buy drink way for me. He cook way for me. We just there. We play. We relax. He escort me reach a park. I enter bus. That's why I take go as. I enter bus. I can't go enter tree. I can't go as. As I reach us, we can start to the date. The love called the sweet. I go to send down love message, text message. You go to text me. I go to send down love message, text message. You go to text me. You go just say, so you go to tell me about your life story. That one not gonna concern everybody when they here. I just cut down one shot. So after 6 months, when we call the date, when the relationship they sweet, they go already. Me and I know say.
Now the relationship don't enter your brain.
You understand, bros?
Yeah.
So even me now, that period, when the relationship enter my brain, I can't drive baby papa away. Then me can't tell baby. No, because I tell the guy, say if he did nice to me, you go hear what I talk for the beginning.
Yeah, you say if he did nice to me, you will leave your baby papa.
Leave baby papa. Yes. So let me, as the guy really did nice to me, he did very caring. He did nice to me. Me can't tell baby papa say no, they come again. I don't want me they come again. Come this house again. So we call the date. Why I can't bring baby papa come back now? They go so.
Okay, okay. As the boy wait, as the boy can't did nice to you, can't tell baby papa say for your life, not come this area again.
Yes, I can't say if you want to see your children, you go see your children for McDonald's Park. I'll go see you for there.
Okay.
But I not deny that I may not see children. But if you want come, you know, come ask, come do me again. I don't want to make it come, they come again. You understand?
And anytime baby papa come ask, he want me still to shop you.
Yes. Now when me don't know, say me love this guy, me don't deal with this guy, me can't stop baby papa till they come.
Okay.
Because now show me with a plan now for the beginning. You know, that's when I tell you from the beginning.
Yes.
So when me con baby papa can say, okay, no problem. We call the quarrel, call my mother. Me say may not come. I say no, mommy. I not say may not see children. May not come this house because this guy say he don't want make it they sleep with 2 of us. Maybe they stay with her. Now they don't they serious with me. Maybe baby papa go. So now say baby papa, I not deny that may not they see children. May they see children, but I don't want me I sleep with her again.
Okay. Me not come like say they sleep with the 2 of them at the same time.
Yes. So now I can't explain to the guy. Now the guy can't say now because I delete me because if I divest, I'll delete something for WhatsApp. I for send that for you, may you plan. Now I can't tell the guy say, baby papa, no they come again. We know can't dig. He can't say that is why I love you. You the hear what they talk.
Yeah.
So now the guy can't tell me say after like 6 months we don't they date the love, don't they sweet. Even sometimes I they post the guy for story.
The guy they promise you marriage.
And one day I don't feel lie, but when he promised me the marriage no, you know, guy be, but I don't feel talk that one for year. I dey wait because they say he won't come out for me. Now the day when he go come out for me, now I go talk what he tell me I do before he go marry me.
The guy say he won't come out for you.
Yes, I dey hear and say the guy say he go come out for me.
Okay, continue. Talk everything. Continue.
Okay. So I keep that
The
one
area where you
secret.
did, may not forget the area where you did. Now you can say you know what they knock the two of them together. You know what they knock
Yes.
the baby papa and Lydia together. Okay.
Yes. So me when you come deal with me and my baby papa come dey quarrel badly. He come dey tell my family, me not dey mind again, me not dey do this. And I say, no, I not be say I don't want marry you. I don't want make you just come here again because I don't get serious guy. I don't promise that guy. Say if he dey serious, I'll throw away this one. So now we go dey date. Then after 6 months, this boy be one use love shock me. So after
The boy want use love to finish you.
yes, after 6 months, 6 months in a relationship, now that what do they call her? That girl, that his girlfriend, this
That's
boy
a
called
mama twins.
Mama Twins, yes. So this boy now come post, he can't say that they go club where that this guy they go club. So he can't post video. The picture just fire. I can't go there. I can't say my love, you are looking good. Mama Twins now can't stress me. Enter my dear. Now that our relationship just spoil. So
Okay. As this guy post a video, a picture for this thing, he walk. You can go comment to say you are looking good.
yes.
So Mama twins
Then
now you can't trace that comment call your inbox.
he can't trace that comment that you are looking good. He can't trace her enter my inbox. He can't tell me say, mama, good evening, ma. Not say good evening, ma. I beg that guy when I write something for a comment, he can't write the guy name King JP Mutana. He say na his boyfriend they don't date for 2 years. That was last year. They tell now so they don't date for 2 years. Me call your shock. So I can't carry the other
Mama twins now they tell you now say the boy and her boyfriend they don't date for 2 years.
They don't date for 2 years, yes. Now go carry the other of my phone. There's money just for you to go and buy something. Look at what you are doing.
I want to buy a phone.
Now let me come say, hey, what did you want? He say, I beg, He want tell me say that guy they don't date for 2 years. They don't they live since 2 years in a relationship. I can say, wow. So I can't hold on. I don't call the writer again. I can't carry my other phone. I can't tell JP. Say JP, one woman day when they call Mama Twins. He say, "Ina your girlfriend." He say, "No, not be girlfriend though. Now yes, girlfriend though. He and another day girl. Now so they do. Now so they write for people.
Now this JP now they tell you that one say Mama twins na yes girlfriend.
Yes. Say now so they write. They go for people live. People that's people when they date. Now so they disturb them up and down. You know they let the rest. Now I can say okay, no problem. That's okay. What do you want make me do now? As this matter can't day so. What I want reply because she the way me I reply this woman now they talk to so now this woman writes me so. Now say this woman the way.
This Mama twins will write you so abi.
Yes. Now I can say JP. Now JP me they call her. Bless and Mutana. This one they call her. Let me can say.
This
JP,
one they call her Mutana. You they call her JP.
Yes. Now you tell me say that they call her JP.
JP Mutana. Okay.
So let me can say Mutana. This woman, what you say make her reply now? Me, I don't confuse here. You say you don't get girlfriend. He say no worry. Just tell her, say, you be my sister. Now I can say, I don't understand. Why I go dinner for her? You say na your ass. I'll see the dinner for your ass. He say no, the girl, na fight her, make the girl not come fight me. Hey, maybe you be careful. You don't want problem with me. Now so okay, make her your right hand. Now right hand. Now be sister. He can say okay, ma. Now I call right hand again. Now I say congratulations to you both. So now she can't come out. As she come out, now I call Mutana. Say Mutana, come. JP come. Now she say that girl now your really ex-girlfriend. He say yes. Now I call okay. So me now not come finish for her page because Mutana they call the ask that very day.
Since
that
that
very day now when you don't know. Yes, that very day when me know now, our love be the hot oh, our love be like a Romeo and Juliet.
You and the guy love be the hot well.
Yes, that time when me can't know say when this guy can't write me, our love can't shake.
Where the get
That's your husband. Shut up, push that your husband. That's your husband they buy you not today.
when
Eh?
the mama twins come to write to you, now the love come to shake.
Me no know say na person husband before. When if una come live video,
No look comment
una start for
section,
the
no look
beginning.
comment section, link comment section, they
You
block, they
no know
don't
say you
worry.
got married before. Me tell you say me want marry the guy. We dey date. He not promise me marriage, nothing like that.
And
But
the guy
the guy come go play
not
the
say
boy.
don't marry.
The guy tell me now I talk for the beginning now.
When you come to say you are the okay, you really talk cannot be like we can say the guy say 50-50, the guy go the con, you go you now see the door 50-50. Don't be like you really talk.
Yes. So
Continue.
now this because me I don't born finish. I don't want born again. So I dey find mine one be one day with before. When go keep me company, when go love me with hand. You know, I tell her say I don't want born again. Madam, your shame they shame me. Tell your comment section I'll come out for you. Tell your comment section make they stop.
Now off comment section. When I don't want to listen to this story. Why that who they talk down? I'm gonna tell me. I'm gonna make sure in name. Who mentioned that one? Say your shame me. Mrs. Treasure, don't say that again. I'll block you. Don't say my personal fans. Why must you say somebody is explaining his story so that people can learn? You are if you talk this one, you want
No, you just I talk my true life story. I beg go and sit down. Everybody can make mistakes. Nobody is perfect.
Please, I beg.
Nobody is perfect. Go sit down.
My sister, not look comment section again. They talk your story. People who get sense go learn. No worry. Talk, continue.
So na so the love come to the wave. Oh, it come to the wave. So now me come the that girl now when me tell say my sister, and she don't know say me tell her say my sister. Then this one tell me now say na yes. So me not come finish for the guy page. Me come they go down this mama twist. So wanna put her for your back. Me come they go mama twist page. So anything when that one they do because this guy na manipulator and a liar. So me go come tell this guy say you be like say you dey lie, sha. So Signy come. Signy, please can you come? I beg me I give my son money. Me
okay. I quit on and I'll say what no one learn. What no one learn, women. I met they deceive two women. Deceive them. They collect money from their hand. Now many people want learn. Woman will get wife for us. They deceive different women for our side. Now I want learn so. Okay? Now I want learn. Because many guys they deceive many women. You see me so? This woman now, he get baby papa. This guy come this woman life. This woman call the looking baby papa like Ogbanji, where they say come with the popora. He call the looking baby. Now he can't feel say this man that be the best man. He can't carry the love give this man. God can't do this again. After this guy can't go, you have to go bring baby papa come again, Larry. Because in this life, many women they use their husband do boyfriend. Many women they use their husband do boyfriend through way. Don't use their boyfriend do husband. Now it cost many single mother for Europe today. Many single mother for Europe today. Many don't use their husband do boyfriend through way. Don't go carry boyfriend like husband. So if you don't learn anything, you are your.
So that's what continue. That's what we
you can't say when the woman come write you, the love can't they die for your body.
Yes, because me for me and I'm not the like man when they shit on woman, not like her. Because the D for me and the guy now 50-50, the one when I first talk for the beginning. So as I say, you want the shit on me with another woman, me can they tell and say I know they do again, but I can see manager this year when we did so. So when that one come at me, the love can start to the shake. We not call they trust each other. Before me and this guy they carry phone 3 hours with the gist for phone. Then me not go they call her in too. Sometimes once in a while she will see call me.
But so, you know, the way you tell me yesterday when you say the boy come tell you say me tell the mama to say now you be brother. You never talk that side.
I don't talk her just now.
Where you say mama when the boy come tell you say me you tell mama to say now your brother. You don't talk her.
No, say na my my sister.
Yes, you know his sister. Say me you tell mama to say that. You don't talk her.
And now I talk just now.
Okay, continue.
Yes. So me come now that time mama twins get big page. The other page not be this one when you get so. So now so me and this mama twins so now so we can't day. So if I call this guy, I'll tell her say, babe, Alpha, they come my house. this guy go say he no well, na so he no well. But if I tell her say come take money, he go well.
Wait. If you tell her say make he come your ass, you go say he no where.
Yes.
But if you say make come take money, you go where?
He go well.
They are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. Okay, continue. We are hearing you.
So I come get one day, I come tell her say, babe, come now. You don't tell when you don't come here, may you come. He say, may I come inside? I come say, okay, no problem. But as far as I get children, my children, when they say they go school, I mean, they see they work, and they do small work. When I see they say they support myself. So me cause say me not get a chance when me want to go inside. Making your clothes for work because they now McDonald's work in the work. Make it close for work, make it come meet me in the morning. If the children don't go work, we fit just play, run small things before you go come out that morning time.
Your body they do you k.
Yes. He go tell me say no, he no different this week. He body just they do and one kind. Now say okay, may you carry Dolly Pram, may you chop. Me no know say na Mama Twist day he has.
Yes.
Yes.
You got say make it drink Dolly Pram, make it for day okay, abi?
Me no know say na Mama Twist that on Saturday because Saturday na be your day.
If we dey she throw that man easy. She throw work not easy.
So that on Saturday, maybe your off day, now they give her off for work. So Mama Twist can't dey there. Now when me tell no say Mama Twist dey there, you know say the girl like social media, he like to put picture, he like to put video. Then the girl can't sit down, he can't wear a face cap. Make she at the tell her now, make she know say me and your boyfriend don't dey for the long time, but he said na just 2 months. Me and they want describe what happen for her, make she dey hear. So the girl can't wear face cap, the girl can wear one jeans skirt and one jeans breast tube. He can dey celebrate one of his friend for the back of the girl. You know say the guy room the back here, big picture there of the guy. He did the back of the boy room. So the girl come Mama Twist, this Mama Twist no can't do video to celebrate one of his friend. Then me can write the guy say, this one not be Mama Twist when you say on no day again. Not be there your ass so. And today na the person birthday. He said no, he don't tell us. I don't say this your lie. You know this, you know day, don't tell, you know day yeah. Why you go they lie? I can't send a message. He not reply. Oh, that full day, this guy not reply me. You understand? When they break on Sunday, now he reply that reply say he not there. Maybe the woman he don't go ask. So now me can say, oh yeah, show everywhere now. Show everywhere. Now you can carry a camera. This Mutana can they show everywhere for the room. Say Mama Twist not read day. I can't say okay, I can't rest. The another day again, Mama he can't deal with Mama Twist for his ass. He can't they rub Mama Twist belly. Mama Twist can't see poster. For yes.
And anytime Mama Twist take poster, you know they sleep well that day.
That be my boyfriend. What? No, man must a vest now. It's normal thing now.
Yeah.
So let me come see right and say, you know say you there just not just with me and you just talk so. You know say you they sleep. What are you gonna do for that woman house now? No. You don't carry taxi reach there. He said no, now hold video. I'll say okay, no problem. So on Valentine's Day, you see, say this guy don't they shit on me, they come. But I don't know any other girl. They say girl, any other girl, me no know. Now only Mama Twist, now me know. After when she don't come write me, but the guy said na yes. Okay. So when the couple Valentine, he can put happy, not Valentine Day now. They want to do Valentine. Every time when they call JP, say JP come, this boy, who no know why they sagaram. One of you relax, me I know you get time because they say sometimes me they cover some say me not the shame. Now they write for comment section. Shame don't finish on my eye. So me go come call this guy. I'm gonna tell him say you come. This guy go say they come. He go say get that time when he go take come. He don't tire. Say na McDonald's working they come. He they do. He come. But maybe just said this guy just now can't take 200 euro go you enter road.
Yeah.
So Now there, I can't discuss with one of my friend. I can't they avoid that safe.
So
Then I
wait
can't.
first. Wait first. Anytime he come your house, he must carry money come out.
If I say make it come like that, when you might be go say come like that, you know they agree. I
Okay,
get
no
the
dey
record, may I plan. When may I plan for year more than the year. We call the conference call. Why they when person they settle us, is it talk and say yes, na truth.
Oh yeah, plan more yeah. Maybe people for the land. In case of women
My
where they
son
use.
don't you know say I saw my son carry phone, he carry the phone come out.
Okay, don't worry. They talk before you go come just now. Before you come.
Yes.
So that maybe people for
So
the land. In case of women where they use money, they buy man. Maybe for the land. If you don't
yes.
learn, you are your own.
So me go call one of my friend, Mama Mike. Now not be your friend, na my baby girl. I go tell her say, which kind boy be this one? You go tell her say, come, you not go come. But if you tell her say, I buy gift for you, I do this one for you, you go you
Everybody
they
power
don't.
tap now. All power tap. Everybody massive power tap. Everybody, let's go.
She go the guy go use the run they come. Now Mama Mike can go right hand. This my friend so he can go write JP for DM say, me not even know. As me complain to that my baby girl, that is my small girl when I see the carry follow body. As me go complain, give Mama Mike, then that he can pay that girl because she know say are they very nice. He could pay now say I'm going to do you like this. Why? 90 right for my back. I can go write JP say JP Mutana. I can't go in TikTok. He can say you deceiver. According to what JP can give me, oh, you deceiver. Leave my sister alone and move on with your life. Stop taxing my sister. He can't write this. He can't say me stop to the tax me. He can't write JP Mutana can't carry the screenshot. Can't give me. Now me can't quarrel with Mama Mike say, must you go attack the guy? Me tell you say, see what person they do me. Why you go attack the guy? He said because he don't like the guy. Maybe if he attack the guy go leave me. I said no, they do like that. That one can't pass for them. So the JP can ask me say if na me tell my Mama Mike wetin dey happen. Now say yes because I don't to keep on. It be like my belly one boss. Now say me I fair person when I want tell wetin you dey do me. Now say really wetin you dey do na very bad thing. If I say come, you no go want come. But if I say come take money, you go enter road. So now on Valentine Day, this on Valentine Day when finish so. I can call her. I can say they want do Valentine. So Valentine don't they come? You go come this side. He can say he go come. That is 2 days to VAR. He can come here.
And the year you they continue. Wait, you say 2 days to VAR. I know you're where.
You be mugu na mugu go kill your papa, kill your mama.
Yeah, where you got if they look comment section, people they talk. See, everybody where they not feel like you. You know, Sha. Your reason for like everybody not feel like you. So if you they talk, you make sure say some they take what you they talk. May you look where people where they listen to you now. May you see. If you not say they listen to her, say hi. You're the watch comment section. If you not say they listen to her, say hi for comment section. If you not say they listen to her, say hi for comment section. My sister, they look comment section. People they listen to you, just they listen. If you know you are listening to her, say hi for comment section. If you know you are listening to her, what she's saying, as you they see something from her, say hi for comment section. My sister, they see her. So not even one person will come inside this crowd, come the craze, not to mind those one. Talk everything, my sister. Make people for learn. Hello, they are not hearing me.
So now na Valentine Day. So 2 days to VAR.
You say where you did now. You say don't they reach time to Valentine where they take they enjoy person boyfriend.
Yes. Yeah.
And then you did now. Time to enjoy boyfriend for Valentine Day. And then we did now. Tell us what happened for Valentine Day.
So 2 days to VAR. He can't come here. He can't say in make I cook way for Ram. Make I cook say he want fried rice, jollof rice, salad. May I just sauce the chicken and the sauce.
You say Valentine Day be a day to Valentine, be 2 days to Valentine.
2 days to VAR. 2 days to VAR.
Okay, 2 days to VAR. Because say any fried rice, You need jollof.
He need jollof rice. May I just do that chicken turkey and meat. May I do one? May I
Last
sauce and make it
everything.
soft.
If
Said
they
the way
yeah.
he said the way you take the do one before. He comes now say okay, no problem.
Okay.
Now I can do one. The he can
Very
come
good.
that 2 days to VAR. He can come my side.
Now you call the
As he
expensive,
come
maybe
my side.
you call the expensive, go deal with it Iva.
Me call you say okay. Now be say we go. I'll call your ass. We go meet for VAR. He can say no problem. I call escort and reach bus stop. We can kiss. We can hug. He can. That's my now my ass. He can so.
Yes, that's it. That 2 days to fast. So
The food na see money. Yeah, they see food for market before my lady.
you see where you get comment section. This alone boy. Where you get comment section? Why you comment section? It is here. It is here. What's the comment section? So now the area where you did now is that you can't cook for her. You can't come. Wait till happen where you can't come.
Wait here, I not talk that side. Don't my guy. We go do now. We'll do something now.
Okay, as you do something finish, you come on leave you. Wait till it happen.
As he can't go, I can't escort and reach bus stop. He can't enter bus. He can't go.
You never
as
sleep.
Go as he can't. No, he go. He dey work now. Na say only Saturday be off day.
Okay, they do network. They do network. Okay.
Yes.
So as it
So
got
he
wait till it happen.
He can't dey inside bus. He can't text me message. He no know say he say one Yoruba woman wey dey 7th floor. He dey back of the bus. So as he text me say my love. He say thank you very much. I really appreciate. Now I can't write and say you are welcome. Because he not there here. If you do anything for her, he dey really appreciate her.
Okay. The guys are be appreciated.
So yes, let me come write her back say you are welcome. So now as he come dey go, then as he just finish with me with that call, he come start to dey call another woman. He no know say this my neighbor when dey know her, when dey 6th floor, he know her. So that one they walk early momo in the morning. That one come dey back seat.
for the
So as he just do with
for the
me,
train where you enter.
na boss,
Okay,
you
for the
enter
bus
boss
wey you
something
enter.
for yes.
Okay. I
Because
see
if
your
you
finish
enter
with
bus,
you enter on that call.
yes, if you enter bus for our area here, then he go come go put you for train station where you want for enter go Mercy Palazzo. So now so
Okay.
he come write me say you are welcome. As he don't write me, as he just cut phone, now so he start to dey call another girl. So that my neighbor come call me say that your man that you show me the other day, I saw him in the bus stop. Is it you that he was talking to? I said, okay, what did the boy come dey talk? He come dey talk many things. Now I say, not be me. Because me, he not call me, now he test me. Now I can't tell the woman, say, not be me, he call. Inside bus one day, now he test me. Now I see that voice and write and back say you are welcome. He say he dey talk to another girl. Let me call carry phone. Let me call and say, get one woman when sit down near you. She wear black jacket. She wear white trouser. You dey talk to her. He say you dey talk to another woman. He say, oh God, I don't fit tell you, may you relax your mind. I don't fit tell you, say, may you relax your mind. You don't want to relax your mind. I don't tire for all this kind of thing. You too dey nag. Now say not be nag go. I know they share man with any of my if now your wife come, I go dey hear. So inside there, he come call me. He come say, babe. Now say, he say my wife they come. Now say, that is September. This September when pass so.
You before that you not talk. You know what you tell me yesterday. You say as he come up for your ass that a day to Valentine. He can't go mama to his house on Valentine. He can't go
No,
follow
that
mama.
one and last. Now that me for leave and that one and last. I'll talk that one later.
Okay.
Yes. So he come call me. He come say my wife and my children that they come. Now say wow, because he say una once in a year they say they come. Now I come say wow. He come say no, if they come, he go call the children, may they greet me. Now I come say okay. So the wife come come. He can't go book. I don't know that hotel book, but according to the guy saying a hotel they carry. He can't carry they go where he go. If you see do I go see send me picture. Anywhere when they go, he go see send me when he carry the children. Not be the wife picture, the children. Go see. So now me
You
come
see
say
update
okay.
you.
He go see update me. Let me go tell am say, okay, no worry. He come say, you not even na your children, now you not even do something for them. Now I come say, okay, no problem. Make you come area, make I give you something. Make you give the children. Now he come. As he come, I can't do shopping. I can't give her small thing. He can't come out. Make the children make they take flex for that. How many days when they want spend. So he can't tell me, he can't say thank you very much because over there they sabi they appreciate it, not they.
Okay, no vessel. Before you continue, these guys, so how much should they give you?
He never give me money. No, why they pity for her? May I tell you not be say a day here. You know, say na me the sagara, na me breed the matter. The guy, not be say a day. Over there, no, they live fine. You don't know what I understand.
Why not they live fine? You know they work now.
If they work, inside he work. The money no, if they send me the now make I take get a real name. If they send me he work sleep. If they tell me work sleep, the money no they reach anything. So before I go come pay house rent, and the house rent they expensive. Before I go come pay according to him, before I go come do everything. Over there waro but so safe e me dona so why for 1 week. I can do live again.
We bona good mother, go the wise. These are bro, bona the wise. Everybody need to the wise. Now where's now they learn? This is a big topic.
He say you the pity for person your husband. I don't want to collect your husband. Me we just dey okay. When me own now where we just dey do. Who was what?
As a young year, none of them do. They do.
We dey do. Fuck me, I fuck you hard. We are doing it to each other. Don't go there.
Fuck me, I fuck you hard. Larry. Fuck me, I fuck you hard. Okay. We are hearing. Okay, where we dey continue?
So now so I can't take he can't come area here, he can't collect something. I can't say greet your children for me. He can't come out. Now be all those one. When that time when my baby papa one never pursue and finally. When my baby papa they come, me go see right hand. Now his girlfriend they talk for a video that day when this boy go betray me, give the girl when we don't dey quarrel now. Say me go test this guy. I go right hand my baby papa dey here. Now so is too. They test me say my wife don't come. You understand? You know for the beginning, maybe people when they come now they never understand. For the beginning na 50-50. Now we dey.
Yeah.
So now so we got a day till Valentine Day.
They don't understand the meaning of that 50-50. May I explain? Give them 50-50 means say this lady never drive a baby papa finish. He can still call it a baby papa at any time he call chop am. So this boy so never drive a baby mama. He can still call the baby mama make the chop. So 12 they come they do a 50-50. You see so in case my baby papa still come, you want do, I just still give him a do. This guy comes to say, in case my baby mama come, I feel still chop am. You know, so they can't do it like that. But the girl where he reach, this boy can't fall in love with this guy. He can't reach the level he can say, you know what made the baby papa they call me Gabi?
Yes.
Okay. That's why I still give the middle for no. Continue.
So no, for the beginning, you know, say we promise each other, say me tell her, say baby papa not fair good. Make it not go cut me for fridge one day. So if I see man when they okay, I'll join the baby papa finally for the beginning.
Okay.
Yes. So that's how we can't tell deal. He can waka come out, he can't go as he can't say appreciate me. Thank you. So Valentine Day, that is this year.
This year Valentine, so
This year reminds me our friendship don't they wave because me not complainer. You understand? Me not the
it's a big complaint well.
Yes, and you know so those guys they know they like him. He go call me, go say he might don't they reach grant. Me too they complain. Wait happen. I say which guy complain? I mean you're there this morning, you're there sleep. Wait happen. You know go send message. So all those guys talk. But this guy, if you want ask money, if I don't promise her that money, I don't tell her say, no worry. 3 days time, come take. This boy go call me. He sure that call go want kill me.
Okay, once he doesn't collect the money, that time you cause the first possible excuse.
Yes. Mona see why they beat am. Now say, what did they make me they beat this boy when me not gree rest? I know what they beat am for. Mona relax. So, if me you tell her now say, since morning, you never call. He go say, you not go call me. If I not call, you not go call me. Then he go call say, okay, see as I your day yes swing. I your day broke. And my mama not do this one. My papa not work. I say, okay, no problem. If I tell her, say, okay, 3 days time, you can take 200 euro or 300 euro. Say that go get there for Nigeria. That 3 days time, before that 3 days time, a mutana get back home. Oh, what's here, baby? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you fine? Baby, Iwe. Me no, not get me wrong, go brother. Me no say na money like. Me no say no likeness there. Me no, not be say me no know. Me when Jagger come at here, me no. Because if you dey see say man they do you bad, you go dey feel am. So I'll come sit down, I'll come dey look. If you don't go, I'll come sit down and say this guy na poro person. I can't tell her one day, I can't voice her. I said they use woman swear for you. He say, what he can't do when they use woman swear for her. I said, okay, I never entered that Valentine Day. When it cost when I call the Sagara.
Valentine.
So that quarry come full everywhere. Me and I call the quarry. So he can't see beg. Don't worry, I will change. Don't worry, I will change. I said, okay, you better change, oh. You better change because this your character. It's very bad. You are woman, eh? You too love woman. He can't say, no worry, I'll change. So he can't get one day. Valentine Day, he can't, he don't come out, he don't carry food come out. After 2 days, Happy Vanna say, make her ready, they come. He said, ready, they come where?
Okay, that means 2 days to Valentine. He don't come for curry food for your side.
Yes.
And that day, still chop you that day.
Yes, now.
Okay, continue.
So now me come say okay. 2 days.
As that day, you consider the expensive Valentine Day, you still there with you.
Yes, my God, now yes, normally.
Okay.
So me come call her.
Where you come there for Valentine Day?
Me come call her. He say, I know your day fine. All my body they pay me. I don't know what
Valentine Day, so everybody they pay now.
Yes. Now so they come on, I just a bath, make I carry bag. Me I just they come. He say no need, no just come. I say why? You not see when now, make me come sit there with you. And today I see Va. He said no now, I say with the children, I'll take off myself. I said okay, no problem. May you drink Doliprane so that your feet get up because today na Va, may your mind see come down. You call me around when he said no, you know go you call me again. He want just sleep till tomorrow. I said, okay. That was around 7:40 something. It dey go 8 o'clock. Then, around level for night. Remember, say I did that get page, oh, you don't understand?
Yeah, you know, say that mama twist, you know, say you tell me, say you go relax on that page. Anything you have on that page, you see before any other
are you not go school, you dey mad? Or go
not
kill your
mad there.
papa?
Not mad that one. Talk to me. We are talking to everybody.
So now me can go relax for the girl page because me don't did that page. Me can go there.
Yeah.
As I look around level or something, that guy, this guy, you put on, you they rob the guy don't sleep. Oh, you know what person go don't do. You know say the guy na machine. If he don't do, he don't like that.
The guy na machine for bed.
Yes, now. So. When me they want to ask no, Bronson.
They ride like us.
Bronson, not be like Bronson. Me they want that. The way this mama.
They look me where the guy they ride like this. Look the way they ride. They ride like this.
Bros, make I just you first. Bronson, not be loud.
So where is that? The guy I want to make my people understand where. You say the guy don't ride Mama Twins finish. This is Mama Twins now. My put her here. Because Mama Twins I want it so. This is Mama Twins. So now, the guy don't ride Mama Twins finish. He can't tire for his side bed. Mama Twins called the video and when they use until the rubber, that's a watching that day. Now what did they tell us?
Yes. Me can sit down. Me can sit down. Me can they look this Mama Twins say, let's say this Mama Twins they read the day this boy of recently.
Yeah.
Why this mama twist go dey wake up if this boy don't knock her? Because if this boy don't knock me go your collapse or like that.
He
Why
as you see
this man?
this guy dey collapse you.
Why this guy not dey sleep the way that guy, because me and I go just sleep the same time. But this guy, he not dey sleep. Now to your pick phone, you go your video the guy back and front, you go post
Okay,
am.
that's why I the pepper you. Okay, wait, my explain give the
Yes.
way. What you dey try tell us now? Say anytime this guy take knock you, dey always relax. You call tire. The guy go see tire. But if this guy go knock mama twins not dey tire. The guy go dey inside bed. You go the record that you go put up for story, and you know they sleep.
Yes.
When you imagine quality. I be like, you know, say me a comedian. I go do all like comedy way. Just like be comedian. So no. You now it don't say maybe the way you say they knock you.
He said first your husband.
Don't buy that one. Where Sonia?
Now, see, if you listen to the beginning, now knock we want the knock. We know say two of us we get 50-50 game. Go and sit down.
Because you get back up for your baby father, we get back up for your baby mama.
Yes. Now you never come for the beginning. They look, they listen. So now me can go this again. This very
no,
game.
the area where you never, the area where we did, now not forget that area. The area now will be say, as you come, they see her for mama twins. Mama twins say you can't see the boy for Valentine's Day. Talk that Valentine's Day where maybe people understand.
Okay, I can't see the guy of Valentine's. Of it can't call 2 days. Okay, may I go back again?
No, not go back. Just go as you see her for Valentine's Day with mama twins with this lady. We make you vex.
Okay, so it was saying now where oh, your body they pay now. You want your sleep as usual. She said they lie before. So let me come say okay, no problem. So that was 7 something for evening. So let me come around 11 o'clock in the night. Me come go, mama. I don't they go the page. I never see anything when she don't post to. I can't relax. Yeah. So she come. Hello.
They hear you. They hear you.
So she come. I first go her page around 10. She not post anything.
Okay.
Then around 11:32, she can't post the guy. She can't talk and say, I'm with my guy on Valentine's Day. Now that one, now enough you can't deny because the shirt when we wear, now who go boss when you buy.
That's this who go boss where I put so.
Yes. No, not be this one. Get one. This one are the one when we on the birthday. You get one when they with her.
Okay. So that's this who go boss. Anything like that way, mama twist going to use on the robot body.
Yes. Now then, now for agree say in the date the woman.
Okay, as it does say you don't cash enough for that go boss when we here. Now you can't agree say they date mama twins.
Yes, he saying they date mama twins.
Continue
now I can ask her say for how long you they date this woman? Now I say no worry. If you tell me truth, I can show her 300 euro for envelope.
You show her 300 euro for envelope. Me for they tell you truth.
Yes. I can't show her 300 euro for envelope because I know send a money lover. So I can't show her money. I can't show her 300 euro. If I did now, he said not be, he said not the woman picking. Now I can't show her 300 for envelope. Now I say you see her for WhatsApp call. Now I say come take her if you tell me truth. But not give her more. I don't lie. Because that time I don't verse. But me need the truth from her before I'll verse. So as we know say na money lover, I don't talk and make it tell me the truth. You know if you talk. Now I say okay. Now I can call her. Now I say see money when they my hand. Because you know say that period, CAF they pay us on the 5. That month ending now on the 25. So you know say me not to get cash with me again. So now you come. Let me go show her.
From the 5, go reach on the 15. You did get money well.
Yes, because CAF don't pay me and my children.
Okay.
And I see they do small work.
Oh yeah.
And I see they do small work. Join her, you understand?
Okay.
Yes, I see they go clean people's ass. They do cleaning. So now that I can show her that money 300 for my wallet. I can't tell her for my envelope. I can't tell her say, if you tell me the truth, everything about this your girlfriend, I go give you the money. I promise you. He can't say promise. I can't say I promise you. I don't lie. He say okay. He say, what he make he come toast me? This very girl, he dey give her problem, he dey give her wahala. So he dey find girl when he want to replace her. But he can't look me, say me na naggy person. You know, say this life, if you dey talk, you dey talk truth. I know understand. You know, say that mama twist. That mama twist, if he dey shit, the girl no dey talk. So me, if he dey shit, I go dey lad like person when they walk by. So now he can dey explain and say, normally, he be one pursue mama twins before. You don't understand. Now what he tell me for WhatsApp, oh, I still don't agree. Now say na girlfriend. Now I say why you not
say the one pursue mama twins?
Yes. Now me go answer and say why you not come tell me from the beginning? If I still like you, I'll still date you because I know say we not serious. Now just straff. Now I can say you for tell me for the beginning. You can say no. Normally from the beginning, he be one throw away mama twins. Say make him just deal with me the way I take nice with her. But he see and say, if when any go near where he make be mark here by he may be worrying ye. You don't understand? Me na very naggy person. Me na person when they nag. Say na that one make her he can just look and say, okay, mama twins understand him. Me no they understand him. Now you see there with that woman.
Okay, that make I call like mama twins pass you.
Now making she consider with their mama twist, but for the beginning, if you want break that one, if you want break relationship of that one before. But as he can see and say anything when you do, me go just the chat, but he go just the other. Me if you send her 200 voice record, he go say big boy, it's a low boy. Now he can
you go at the anyway, but my all the money we chop you, he still suffer for the body shop. Because when me see your picture, when me see the way you take meat, I pass it the way you fool everywhere. This guy officially chop you. You come tired beside me. I'm a word in there.
So now what that is after I heard the 300 though, you know, say you can they confess, just they tell me what they go on.
Yeah.
170.
They talk and they hear you.
Incoming call.
They talk and they hear.
Okay.
I greet you, Baba. What? A gift, yeah, blocking. Yeah, 7 days in 7 days in your 7 days suspension. You beg, man, worry, take me. I beg you. You beg,
So why they talk this one so? Me don't already do that there. Una they hear me?
Yeah, we dey hear you, my sister. We dey hear you. I beg,
So
wait
why
first to
they
make
compare so?
wait, Mama Twins. Wait, make we tell Mama Twins. Mama Twins, if you dey here, I beg. If you now know Mama Twins, more than make come. Say Mama Twins, you get wetin they hide. Mama Twins, and Mama Twins be this. I beg. Anybody will know her, more than call her come. Mama Twins, you need to come so that more try this issue because your matter want her. So the way you take go bring Angela paper for her, and that she want talk so. And the one that they drag her say go police station. So Mama Twins, I beg. If you know say you dey here, send request. When they phone put it already happen, it don't happen. On the so you can tell us your mind. More know the area where day. Because this girl favor talk yesterday say you send her paper for Ayelala. You see send the boy Ayelala. But later you say you go remove the boy. Oh. So she go talk everything here now, Mama Twins. I bet if anybody know Mama Twins, Mona tag her, make she come here. Now they hear me so if you know Mama Twins. Please, if anybody there will know Mama Twins, say hi for comment section. My sister wait. Man, look whether they know Mama Twins. Therefore, if you know say you know this lady, Mama Twins, say hi for comment section. If you know say you know Mama Twins, say hi for comment section. Please, if you know say you know Mama Twins, I beg. Mona help me tag her. Mona tell her say make she come. Make she come explain her outside so that make peace dey because they don't drag themselves go juju now. Police don't dey. So if she come now, there's a way she'll still talk her will know where for today. But if she not come like that, that means she and that guy, they felt as they want to fight this girl, this lady so, which is bad. Because these guys so, they still deceive her. This favor so, is they still deceive her. Is under deceive. So through that deceive, now she can't fall in love. Love can take person to anywhere, Mama Twins. You just be like the way you fall in love with the guy now. Love can take person to anywhere. Love, they pay for love. They do many things for love. So now love take the girl. It take over her. The way the guy take the shop her, he said they never shop her like that since he were born. So the guy go chop her, sleep, go take her. And we make banana there, Baba. Yeah, so if they hear me, some Mama Twins. So the love take over the lady. Not be her fault. So if you go to take a person and Mama Twins, it's like you don't know what you are doing. Now ignorant be that. You get there called love. Love. Then they drive person Papa come up for us for love. Ask where they build for Papa, build Mama. They'll chase they come up for the ass. Have you turned to you because of love. It happen for this Europe. It happen for this Europe. Woman will drive the Mama come up for her, drive the Papa because of Bola. So Mama Twins, if you want to make justice day this matter, send request, make come talk a whole part of the story. If this day the tough, if everybody can talk their own suggestion, we not see you, we still get what we'll still talk about this matter. I beg, if you not know the woman, the boy wife, may when I see invite her, may she come. The boy wife, what would they talk? So this boy, if you not see the boy, if you not know the boy wife, if he did TikTok anywhere, when I tell her may he come, say, now your husband matter, they carry come and so. Now they hear me so. Your husband matter, now they carry come so.
Mona, leave your wife. Bros, no, may they not bring your wife. Your wife already.
Good evening.
Wait, sorry, unmute yourself. Joy Love, talk to us.
This woman, we see someone saw Mama Twins children yesterday. The Mama Twins no come because you too called that woman children yesterday. You saw your children go die for her. If you and Mama Twins they fight for pre, what you consider Mama Twins children put? What you call they swear for Mama Twins children yesterday evening? This woman what you do? That woman children they swear for the children.
Shut up, Iwasu. The winner of that boy. The winner of that boy. The winner of that boy. Èmi ní mẹ́ ọ̀gá gbùwẹ̀. Ẹ mọ̀ ọ̀gá gbù lójú wa o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni mo ní àwọn òkú ní ẹkú sí a o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ọ̀gá gbù lójú wa o. Ẹgbẹ́ dẹ́gbẹ́ ní ọkọ̀ wẹ̀.
Baby, your baby father will die because of another man ain't good for you. You don't get shit. Mama Twins no come. Go. Mama Twins yesterday. Why they call you my children yesterday?
Sister, you your raise the video, you raise the issue. Joy,
I know Mama Twins. Not be my sister, not my friend. This one where they called that woman children yesterday.
Favor, as you pay so. No, it's not. No, it's some Mama Twins are big. So that move to this issue. Joy, man, talk to you. Joy, wait.
If you know what, make a talk back.
No, not come down. I know. I mean, as you know, I'm more called the use this sort of they do. I mean, not God bless. They will do saga. You don't start Joy.
If you want to respect me, bros, drop Joy because not big game matter.
Nah, drop her.
You don't just
you drop you when you matter.
EJ Twist, CEO for Jekia, EJ Twist or Jekia. He was Mama Twist 2 years ago. Mama Twist 2 years ago. He wife. The person wife don't come want your friend 2 years ago. He leave the prick. Not be at the sweet prick the sweet and not be the sweet me. No be I say no leave the pre 2 years ago. No arieri you arieri me. E kiani ari ojo igbigbi o wa lawo wo vum.
Ekiani egbegbe. Iguala bebijida. Owe ekiani egbegbe. Owo wa lawo o evun. Mama twist na kina. La mudane mama twist igualo.
Favor.
Hello.
So
Pardon.
Quite.
Favor, you don't say I know you. I think you know who they talk now, be.
Yes, Lady J.
Go, how you dey?
I dey fine, Mama.
You say me, I never see you for this kind of thing. Favor, I beg. Okay, monoroad, yeah, you understand it.
Oh, Mama, ni explain my way. Mama, ni explain my way.
You understand?
Oh, Mama, ni explain. Ni why explain?
Use English explain. Give am everybody.
Okay, make I explain wetin happen yesterday. She come dey talk am for live video say me dey insult the children for one day like that. And me, I never insult her children. Now that thing I can trigger me when I say, okay, give me one when it's so seeing.
So where you went now?
Yes.
The children, you need to remove them because anything.
No, I'm not dey insult the children for year again. Now my story I dey talk.
No, insult the children again.
I beg you, yeah. Anything that children.
I'm not dey insult the children again for year. Now my story I come talk.
Favor, in case of next time, a man say you want. This all of us, but they made mistake for this life. You understand? As a single mom. So if you want date man, any man will not tell you say he get woman, he get wife. No mind am. You understand? No mind am. And the way we take the explain is this guy is a bad person. You understand? The guy not even fell love you. He go where any. Not even make they follow you. I don't lie you, my sister. You talk and just now say that when you tell her say me can't take money, now the man say they come. So you should say not love you. Now the money, now I change to they can't be changed to Italy or over France.
People when they come una friend for 2 years ago. Oh, now on call the jet twist 2 years ago. No see here, you must see here. Who was soon?
So understand the figure. So I have a comment section. You didn't understand it. So the guy.
Okay, Mama, what say?
The guy Madano, the guy na bad person. You understand the priest?
Mama, my big lady J, may I talk to you? Big lady J, may I talk to you? I greet my sister. Now make me they invite Mama Twins now. We don't know what the guy they tell Mama Twins. We don't know the matter of Mama Twins. As we they talk now, Mama Navia. As we they talk now, Mama Twins don't carry juju paper can't give this gay. In the sense, so we don't know Mama Twist side of the matter. So now make we one year for Mama Twist. Now what if be our side of the matter? We don't know where he stand put. In the sense,
okay, yeah.
So now he bring juju for this girl. Now say this girl say he lie for her. Talk the juju side. Do I what happen for juju side? Wait,
yesterday, day before yesterday, I called the live video. I called talk and say. Yes, yesterday. If me not see the voice from Ojuju hand, I know the answer them. I don't tell the Ojuju man say. If I not see my voice, when I tell her say my baby papa fuck her, I not go swear any swear.
Talk with the apple. I take bridge the paper. Give you talk with the apple.
Okay, day before yesterday, no say this saga don't day when she take polo herself. No say they talk my sorry they conscience. When she take polo herself put for this saga. Day before yesterday, me with my 3 friend, we can't do live video. We can't do live video. Then one of my friends come tell me say she put 2 of her children. She come write and say your children file like this. Your children will be like nenemi. Come write her for the comment section. It be like when that time when they saga the guy when you the guy they kiss April when she they call they say cry blood all those kind of words. Then she do always they throw for me. So she come see write her again say. When she posts her children, he said my beautiful kiss. That my friend they tell me not see her more because I don't know in case bossy come. So now my friend come climb up. They say she post her picking, they present, they pull my picking down. That is your picking not reach where my children they. Now me come tell them say next time if this girl use it director to my picking, Mona bring her come for me. But now I not go believe. If you not bring her come, me go zaza picking for her. Now what I talk for the live video. Now she can go the talk for a live video yesterday say me they cause her pikin. I say no, I not cause her pikin. Now person like the way mama climb up so. Now person climb up say you they use it direct. You suck my pikin with your pikin picture. Say your children better pass my children. Now tell her say anytime when you bully my children, they bully me with different comments and they look you. But if you try to my children, I go zaza your children. Then she go on live video. She want reply me yesterday. She go they tell people say me they bully her pikin. Me they bully her pikin. Now I come on my live video. I can't explain. Give they say I never want they bully her pikin. Now person climb up. Go they talk about she